Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create flashing effects in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Then tap on new project. Here select your video clips. Then add it to your timeline. After adding the video clips, I'm going to work with the speed because I don't want my video too long. I want to make it short, so I'm going to increase the speed a little, and then I'm going to delete the ending here. Now tap on overlay and add a white background. Then tap on splice option. Here scroll like this and you guys will find out overlay option. Tap on here, then adjust it like this. In here let's add video effects. Now if you scroll like this, then you guys will find out video effects option. Here search shake, and then you guys will find out this shake option. Tap on here and then adjust it a little. Now let's go and then tap on the check mark. Here tap on animations, and in here I'm going to add a combo animation, this one, and then let's tap on the overlay and then here adjust it according to your video clips. Now I'll scroll like this and then make it double and increase it according to your video clip, and then I'm going to double it again. Now let's watch the video. If you notice the video, then you guys can find out the flash happened, and this is how you guys can create these flashing effects by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day for videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.